Want to transform your ponytail from this into this. All you gotta do is stay tuned. Okay, today I'm going to be working with Equal, and this is a drawstring ponytail. This is a Yaki straight. This is in 24 inches. The longer, the better. Okay, ladies, this is where we're at so far. The most important thing about this look will be your edges. Well, that's my important look of this whole look. So I like to take my time and lay them edges right. So now let's get on to the ponytail. Okay, ladies, we got the drawstring on. We pulled it tight to our liking. Please don't pull it too tight because you don't want a headache. So I did lie about one thing. We are going to need bobby pins because we're not finished yet with this drawstring ponytail. So what you're going to do now, since you got it on, you got it tightened. You're going to take the string that you tightened your drawstring ponytail with and wrap it around. Just wrap it, don't wrap it too tight. Okay, ladies, once you tighten up that string and clip it, bobby pin it, we're going to pull some hair from the back because we're going to wrap that. So this is how the ponytail falls on me, ladies. This is 24 inches and I am 5'1". This ponytail literally ran me $14.99 from my local beauty supply store. So you can't beat it. This is a good look for the holidays. The holidays are coming up. You want something fast and easy, and this is a good alternative for your hairdo. If you like this look, lady, please give me a thumbs up. like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. And until next time, ladies, I'll see you next time. Bye.